What is luxury? Do you think we could all come to an agreement on that? Probably not. Luxury can be expressed in many ways. It fires our imagination and fuels our desires. Often it is out of reach, far away from our world. Let's free luxury from conventions. It's not about more ostentation, and it's no longer a dream to be chased. It's not just about vanity, it's about substance. Today with Lancia, luxury is liberated. It's set free to express spirit and beauty. It's set free to revolutionize practicality and space. Luxury you can share with your loved ones. It's set free to think big and challenge compromise. It's set free to achieve perfection without cliché. And above all else, it has set itself free just for you, to simply be itself. Luxury. New Lancia, luxury liberated.